I am Chandrasekharan, a manufacturing expert, trained social entrepreneur, providing natural water purifiers to the unreached. More than 73% of the Indian population are in rural areas where they need drinking water, which we do through natural water purifiers, which are manufactured massive in support of the Department of Science and Technology, CSIR, CPAT, and in collaboration with two IITs. The point I wanted to talk through this TEDx speech is that the need to save water. Almost 96% of the rainwater which we are getting in India in abundance is being wasted away, and this is drifting to the seas. Be it Chennai or Mumbai or any other place, we normally see this flooding happening and devastating our lives for almost a month or so. People flood, they lose a lot of things. But finally, during summer, they again run around for water. In many parts of Maharashtra, people walk miles together for water. This is what I wanted to talk, how to regenerate water, how to save water by natural means, and how to also purify water by natural means, and make all the listeners think that every drop of water is worth saving and how they will be able to save. Thank you.